Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramano. For those of you who don't know me, if you're new here, hi or welcome. Do click that subscribe button down below to become a part of this family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. As you might tell by the title of today's video, I will be installing this beautiful unit courtesy of Xrsbeauty Hair. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful wig to try out for you guys. This hair is so beautiful, you guys. I love the texture. I love the loose wave that it is. It is a 22-inch, 200% density clear lace, and it runs from ear to ear. It is a frontal. If you do know, you would know that Xrsbeauty has the best clear lace HD wigs. I will be installing this wig, guys, but all the hair details and the hair specifications will be linked in the description box below. So if you are interested in getting this exact wig, do check out my description box. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna install this wig for you guys. I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look from the beginning to the end. And what I love most about their wigs is that they come pre-plucked and bleached, so you don't have to do anything to the knots. You don't have to do much. You just have to put it on and glue it down if you're going to glue it down. I think it's safe to say that it is beginner friendly. It is very easy to install and it blends right into your scalp. It literally looks like it is coming out of my head. So guys, without further ado, let us get into installing this wig.
The hair comes in this beautiful orange box that looks super luxurious, and on the inside we've got our wig, of course, and there is some goodies. We have a white tooth comb, an edges brush, 2 wig caps and some clip extensions. We also have some bendy rollers. So for the start of the show, we've got our wig. It is super soft and smooth. I love the curls as well. As you can see, they coil right back up. I love the quality of this wig, you guys. There's nothing much I can say, but it's a good quality wig. The knots have been bleached for you and it has been pre-plucked. This wig is machine made. It's got some clips just to give you extra support, and as you can see, this is the front of the wig. It looks super natural. I'm just gonna prep the wig on my mannequin head, but this step is self-explanatory.
Everybody smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job, tell me things like I can't hate to walk and dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're too out of line. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop.
So basically, these are the types of lace. We've got clear lace on the left and transparent lace on the right. Clear lace is what has been used on the wig that I have, and it is the most modern type of lace which blends right into your skin. As you can see, transparent lace is more visible, whereas clear lace is a bit more invisible.
That just rocks my world. I get up, I feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, so let's talk.
I have already prepped my edges for this install, and this is just me showing you how natural this wig looks. I am in love, you guys. but then again, I knew exactly what to expect, and I got just that, if not a bit more. The frontal of this wig is perfect, guys. It blends right into my scalp. I'm just gonna install it and you guys can just watch and enjoy. I'm also gonna cut off that excess lace in a zigzag motion, as you can see over there, and then I'm gonna go in with my freezing spray. I've got a new type of spray that I use that doesn't leave too much residue. I love it so much. You guys are gonna see it in a moment.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out.
You guys, it's also important to use cool air and not hot air. And another step that I like to go in is with my elastic, just to give it that extra melt into my scalp.
Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been choking.
And now for the reveal of this meltdown, you guys. Look at that blend. Of course, I'm still gonna put in my makeup, and I'm also gonna go in with the spray a bit more and lay it once again with my elastic, and it's gonna look flawless. I'm just also cutting off the ear tabs.
You got that something that just rocks my world. I get up and feel like.
So loves, we are done with this install. I did put on my makeup. I'm gonna go in with my brush that has got a little bit of makeup on it, which you're gonna see me do in a moment, just so it blends a bit more. Honestly, if I didn't have makeup on, I wouldn't need to do this because it blends into my skin tone, but because my makeup is a bit lighter, I'll just have to go in with a little bit more excess powder that was left on my brush, and we have our frontal melted into our skin. I'm just also defining the part because I just like to do this. You don't have to, but for me, I just like to do it. And now for the final steps, I'm just going to remove those clips and put in some oil into my curls because I just like my hair to have a little bit of shine and look super healthy. I'm also going to go in with a white tooth comb that they have provided me with, just to sort of like relax those curls and so that they're not too coiled up. That's just my preference, but you can leave them the way they are because they still look good. So guys, thank you so much for watching until this far. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also check out Xrsbeauty Hair. I'll see you guys in another video.
There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind.